my birthday camera right now, and I was having a little bit of a struggle. Like, I didn't know what to do. Like, this is the press button to actually take the picture. Then, you know, like,
Close up.
This gives you really great advice so that I
Close up. Come on, focus.
don't forget that now.
Yeah, whatever.
So yeah, on the back it tells me what these are. So yeah, the flash is right here. So on and off buttons when I pick this up, close it, and then shut it down. So me and Cal tested our first one out. I don't know where it went. Right here.
What's going on here?
Yeah, we tested this one out, and it was just a blank one.
What are you looking at? Where'd you get the camera at? Cool?
Yeah, my birthday gift.
Huh?
It's my birthday gift.
Who gave you that?
Beanie.
Oh, really?
Okay, so now we took the picture and it's Kendall dabbing, so we had to wait, and the picture's coming out. Kendall's shaking it so randomly. First time trying a new camera, this is what happens. Tommy, the new photographer over there. Can you see it?
You can see me at least.
Is it?
A little bit, yeah. Keep shaking it more. Probably will come out stand more. I think I should just put...
It's purple now. Can I see it?
Oh,
Wait.
It's this way.
Wait, what part did I put it on?
What is it?
I put it indoor
How am I supposed to know?
dark.
Hey, you can see the mirror right there.
I put it in indoor dark. Oops. I should just put it to... I don't know. I put it to indoor dark, so... Unless I used the flash for it. Look at this dude. So if you wonder when we will gonna be filming, we're gonna be filming about this. So I made this prosthetic finger right here out of 3D printing. So what we're gonna be doing is we're doing a blindfold test, and whoever can connect all of these, it's 3 parts. So it's one right
What do you
here,
have of this?
2 right here, 3 right here, 10 in there, I believe so. So there's 3 pieces, and we can blindfold it for one test, and let's see whoever can do the fastest of putting all these together. So yeah. Did you get the picture yet? Did you shut it off? If you shut it off before doing it.
What do you have?
9 now.
Huh?
9 now. She's still going at it. What's going on? Let me see it.
Well, it looks black on the screen.
Ready? Ready, Nancy?
Is it supposed to turn like this? Or did Kendall keep on doing it so badly that it turned out to this? Or should we just like...
Look at that. It's like...
Nancy, I'm gonna take a picture. Yes or no?
No.
Huh?
No.
No?
We broke it.
Huh?
Okay. That's how it's like. It fades in.
I think it said something about we had to wait for like a minute or something. I don't remember. So many instructions. Alright, by the way, thanks Danny for the birthday present. Can you do something?
Want me to take it out?
Probably we just have to let it stand, sit somewhere for now.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, cause. What the heck? We'll let that sit for 1 minute, and if anything shows up, then yeah. So, see you guys next time.
Okay, so what's up, guys? So we took some pictures, and we just realized that, it's really bad, you know? Like, I just took these already, and if you see, like, that little, like, light right there, can I take a picture? That's me taking the picture of it, and it's just, like, the flash off of the mirror. And they said for us not to reflect it off the mirror because of, like, the bad camera quality. I tried doing it on Kindle, and then so far it's, like, showing, like, the yellow stuff. It's still white over here, and, like, I think it's the first one. What? Try to. If it doesn't work. Okay.
So yeah, we got 3 perfect ones, but you could say it's perfect, but I don't believe it's perfect at all.
We neither.
None of ours were perfect. The first one we made was a disaster.
Yep.
Oh my god, it looks like I'm buying another one.
It's coming.
Don't, what took so long? What the hell? You want to try again? I don't know. I tried, like, these 2 photos are Kendall, but it won't get a picture of Kendall. I don't
Wait,
even...
how come I take the picture so clearly? My first time taking the picture, it's so clear.
Yeah, but how come I won't take pictures of Kendall? I don't think it likes Kendall getting taken pictures.
I can't take a picture of you then?
Alright. Back up a little bit. Oh, shoot. Oh, I know why. It said that we cannot be far away. That's why.
Oh, that's why I was so close to it.
Alright, got it. Make sure you get me the whole entire body inside because it won't put me in.
Come closer.
At that point, I flashed. My eyes got flashed from my eyes. Look, it's my bed. Why do I feel like there's a lot of stuff on my bed? That's what makes it bigger. So this turns out, it better turn out good before I'm gonna kill myself. It's coming out!
Oh, it's coming out!
After the first one, it did came out, and then, like, somehow we ruined it by keep shaking it more.
Yo, you can see it clearly now.
I have a good looking bread now. I don't know, where should we hang these? Our first timing.
The perfect ones and the ugly ones. The one that didn't come out well.
Me. Look, as you can see right here, right in the corner right here, it's all the pictures we took. Right now I'm using my phone, as you can see. And yeah.
Man, I'm a good photographer.
Oh my god, no. Man, I want to take a picture of both of us in it.
I know. Selfie!
No, I won't. Whoa.
Yeah, I would. Just need to put your finger right here.
I'll be like that one girl in that one drama I'm watching right now. She takes a picture of her and her cat.
Selfie!
Yeah, that could happen. Came out good. But right at the bottom.
Well, looks
This-
like it shows you the number.
It does, but we don't know how much is in there exactly, though. Okay, so you want me to take a picture of you this time? Let's see what works.
Yeah, come close. And I put it on this one.
Which one?
This one.
That's one. Okay, then put it on that one then. We'll turn it on first. Alright. Here, hold the camera so... Some of it was mostly success. I could say 2 out of... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait.
2,
7.
4, 6, 8. 8. 1/4 of all the pictures came out good.
Correct. So you're not going to do your dad this time?
Nah.
He was dabbing up 2 other pictures and he messed up. Oh my god, your eyes cross-eyed.
Sorry, I gotta keep still.
His eyes cross-eyed in the picture. I can see it. It's so funny. Right? Oh, keep going.
You just put it on the floor.
If it doesn't like Kendall, it's because she doesn't like Kendall, okay?
Yeah, if it doesn't show, it does not like me.
It's coming out. There he is. According to you, right here. It's not it. Look. It's coming. He's right there.
Look at that pixel.
Alright, you can zoom out because that was right here. Here, put it here for now. Look at all the pictures we took. As a memory, the first pictures. People's like, you already did your camera already? I'm like, yeah, don't worry, I'll buy more. So we're gonna only go save these 3, because they're the better ones.
Yeah, that's
The
true.
rest can all be,
No, that hair though. That hair though. No, you can see my hair.
these 3, I'm gonna try to see if I can take another picture of them. This looks like a different color.
I look like I don't look like a person.
Okay, so let's end this little video.
Yeah, you only got like a minute.
We don't even know what this is, so let's call this thanks for joining our adventure on this. It's really was hard, you say. If you guys are wondering how to work this, put it down in the comments down below, and I'll tell you how it's done. And probably you might see that in the next video, but you know.
Betsy's bed.
So we're just gonna post these 3 pictures on our wall, and maybe next time when Catching or Caitlin comes, we can take a picture of them like this.
And we need to get new film.
Probably, so yeah.
New
We'll
pack
film
of
too.
film.
This is Team Trio's camera for boredom. Whenever we get boredom, so yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks for watching this film. I don't know what to call this. Let's call this First Timing. First Timers. So yeah. It's called
being a start to being a photographer.
Sure. To start to be a photographer.
That thumbnail. No, I hope the thumbnail.
You're editing the video, don't forget. I edited last week's. You do it for this week.
This is how my friend does it.
Well, I did the vlog last week. And we were supposed to do one yesterday, but...
Okay. Let's end
gotta
it.
do it.
Let's end it because we only got like 20 seconds or something.
So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos of Team Trio. See you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.
Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, Brian?